Today I'm going to talk about the most nourishing health tonic for children. This is available in hundreds of brands. This was explained 5,000 years ago in the classical text of Ayurveda. It is a bliss for all children. It is a must for all children for the overall growth and development, as well as for those disorders that have been recurrent, coming back again and again, some severe disorders, incurable conditions where you don't know the cause, where there's no treatment in the world today. The Google says it is having no medicine. This medicine is used to treat such incurable condition, and we'll be sharing this medicine with all of you. Make sure you watch till the end. Make sure you share this video further for those who have children whom you feel that yes, they should take the medicine, because this is a bliss for all children. All children must take it. So let's understand in this video. Namaste everyone, welcome to Jyovis Hospital of Ayurveda and Aesthetic Center, Mumbai. We're talking about Arvindasa, one of the most nourishing health tonic for children. It is beautifully explained in the classical text of Ayurveda by ancient acharyas. It is said as Balanam Sarvaroganam Balapushti Agnivardhanam Arvindasa Prokta Ayushya Graha Doshahatam. Beautifully explained in just 2 sentences. If you want to know more about Arvindasa in detail, then it is beautifully explained in Bhaishajya Ratnavali Balaroga Adhikar 185 to 189, a brief explanation. In this video, I'll be sharing some important points with all of you, so you can make the use of it and share this video further, share the name of this tonic and the benefit of this tonic further. So, Balanam Sarvaroganam, Sarvarog, for all the disorders, for Bachcho, for children, Arvindasa is one of the best medicine. It is said as Bala Pushti, Pushti which means to do the Dhatu Pushti, to supply nourishment to the tissues. Tissues are the Dhatus, tissues are those that the body is made up of. The Rasa Rakta Smet Asti Maja Shukra. The body is made up of the tissues. So to give the Bala Pushti, Arvindasa is a beautiful medicine. We see due to reduced Jivaniya Gana Dravyas, which means the rejuvenating foods, rejuvenating herbs, due to the less supply of all this to the children, we see how the digestive fire reduces, the immune system reduces, and the children have recurrent issues. Arvindasa supplies the body with the Jivaniya Gana Dravyas, which is Agni Vardhanam, which improves the digestive fire and solves all these issues. Agni is given a lot of importance in Ayurveda, hence a child must feel hungry. So Agni Vardhanam, to improve the digestive fire, Arvindasa is useful. Arvindasavam Prokta Ayushya Graha Doshahatam. Graha Dosh, a very important word. Graha Dosh, which means to treat psychological disorders. Most cases you will find children, they're crying without any reason, they're irritated without any reason, looking dull without any reason, recurrent skin issues, diarrhea, cough, cold, asthma. The world says no medicine, no cause, nothing can be done, barely manageable with the heaviest of the heaviest steroids, which when missed on one day, the child is bleeding. I'll add the image over here. One night omnacordial is missed, children are bleeding. Thousands of such cases we can share with you to treat psychological disorders. Arvindasa is one of the effective medicine. We see that one of the patient, Araf Ansari, we see Araf was a child 6 years old. He used to, he's broken television, he's broken the remote controller, cell phones, tore books, pages, has never listened in his entire life, has never responded to the children. When we start with the classical Ayurvedic treatment, what's explained in the text, what's explained in the classics, Shastra mein jo bataya, classics, exactly what our acharyas tell us, word to word, once we do the bhal lep, the forehead lep, Swarna Prashan, internal medicated grita, internal aushadhi with honey, with food, between food, after food. When we do these medicines, we see today Araf is one of the 1,000 patients who responds to every word that the children say, every word that the parent says. Araf come here, Araf is coming, Araf is eating food, Araf is reading, Araf knows ABCD now, Araf goes to school, Araf listens every single thing. This is one of the 1,000 patients that we are sharing over here. It is very a proud moment to share with all of you that Ayurveda and the classical text, our ancient acharyas, what they've given us, we see conditions like the attention deficit hyperactive disorder, the ADHD, the autism, recurrent diarrhea, recurrent asthma, atopic dermatitis, recurrent skin disorders, recurrent urticarias, recurrent anorectal disorders like Piles Fisher fistula. These issues that are recurrent, coming again and again, the world says no cause, no treatment, no medicine. The Google says no cause. Very happy to share that the acharyas explained all of this to us, has given us this 5,000 years ago, when applied, we definitely see improvements. We definitely see improvements where the patient knew that there was no cure. We see ADHD improving, definite results with ADHD. We see how the autism improves. The younger the child, the better are the results when it comes to a condition as incurable as autism. Beautiful results with Ayurveda. So this is Ayurveda that treats incurable. One of the small part is Arvindasa that treats Graha Dosh. What is Ayurveda? It is comprised of 8 branches. It is said as Kaya Bala Graha Urdvanga Shalya Damshta Jara Vrusha. It is said as Kaya, medicine, Shalya, surgery, Urdvanga is upper disorders, ENT disorders. So similarly, all the branches are covered in Ayurveda. One of them is the Graha Dosh, which is to treat the Graha Bada, to treat such psychological disorders where the world knows no cause, no treatment. So when we treat as per the Graha Dosh, when we treat and we tell the patient to do certain activities, to do certain things, to do certain medication part, to do certain, take out certain leaves, put a medicated ghee, have dal rice in that particular, meal for 5 Sundays, we see outstanding changes. Stick to this particular channel so you will know about more of those concerns, which is the leaf and what is the medicine, how do you prepare, and you see definite changes in just 5 Ravivar, 5 Sundays. So one of the small part is Arvindasa. Coming back to the topic, Arvindasa is a beautiful medicine for most children. It reduces the Vidagdha Pitta Dosh, inflammation, burning disorders. It is a bliss for skin disorders. Most children we see, as soon as they're born or after a year or two, have atopic dermatitis, which is one of the most severe allergic skin disorder. Atopic dermatitis, I'll put a picture over here of various patients, right from a child to old age people. I add some pictures over here you can go through. These are incurable skin disorders, and Arvindasa is a beautiful medicine. Although it is a medicine for children, we also use it for Pitta Vidagdha Dosh for old age people as well. So over here, Arvindasa, it is reducing the inflammation, it is reducing the Vidagdha Pitta, the heat, the burning, any issues with burning for children. Arvindasa was the first choice of medicine. Although there are many, thousands, at least thousands we can say, Chandanaso, Chandanadi, Draksha, Bringraj, unlimited, but one of them is Arvindasa, a must health tonic for childhood related diseases. So we see, if we need to conclude Arvindasa, 3 words: improves digestion, improves the strength body weight, improves immune system, modulates the immune system in the best possible way. Arvindasa is also beautiful medicine for Ratta Pitta, for bleeding disorders, bleeding from the teeth, bleeding from the throat, mouth, urine. We see beautiful result as soon as Arvindasa is started. Arvindasa is also useful for women with excessive white discharge, itching at the vaginal area, vulva region, or having excessive bleeding during periods or prolonged bleeding during periods. Although it is combined with Palash Pushpantak or Menstrasi Med or certain Ashokarishta, certain combination medicine, but Arvindasa is a choice of medicine when it comes to such disorders. Arvindasa is also useful for children who have recurrent frequent urination. So endless benefits of Arvindasa in one word: Balanam Sarvaroganam. For all disorders of the child, Arvindasa is a beautiful medicine. So consult your nearest classical, authentic Ayurvedic practitioner to know the best about Arvindasa, to know the best about Suvarnaprashan, to know the best about what you can do for the overall well-being of your child. This is all for now. If you have any doubts or questions, please do let us know in the comment section below. Until next time, from Jyovis and the team, look impressive, be progressive.